Exactly, and I think that is the key, because one of the challenges that Belize confronted when we began the campaign, and still confronts as we are in the process of changing it, is the fact that a lot of birth registration currently is sort of done by hand. You know, people in villages register a birth, and then when they have time, they come into town, they go, say, to PG, and they go to the key registrar there and they submit their information, and then that has to come into to Belize City. And of course, that in that process, you have a number of errors, or sometimes you have a number of delays. People have to go back and forth. So that's because the system has not been computerized. So in collaboration with the OAS, the OAS, the Organization of American States, has partnered with UNICEF to facilitate a process where we can put in place a computerized system of birth registration. And the OAS really is taking the lead on that. But they have begun the process in the center in Belize City. And UNICEF has supported by trying now to get computers and the equipment out to the district areas. So we have distributed the equipment already, and we are now beginning the process of networking between the districts and Belize City. Now, our hope is that by doing that, not only will it be faster to register a birth, but it will be more efficient. We won't have as much handwriting and you know, chance for errors and things like that. We will eliminate some of the challenges that we currently face. So that's part of what we're thinking.